Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to build savings without even thinking about it? Cash App's recurring deposit feature lets you set it and forget it. Here's how to set automatic your money today. So let's get started. What are a recurring deposit? Recurring deposit lets you automatically transfer money from linked bank account or paycheck into your cash app balance on a set schedule. It helps build savings and manage budget effortlessly. And here's how to set your recurring deposit in Cash App. Open your Cash App on your profile, then tap the dollar icon and then select add money or deposit. Look for recurring deposit or scheduled transfer options and it may be under this advanced settings, and then choose amount that you want to deposit regularly and select the frequencies such as daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, and then pick the start date for your recurring deposit and then confirm by tapping set schedule or confirm. Now here's how to manage your deposit. You can view and edit your recurring deposit schedule anytime in the Bank tab, and to cancel, simply delete the scheduled deposit. And recurring deposit help build your balance steadily without manual withdrawals. And here's a tip for you to use this recurring deposit. Set amounts you're comfortable saving regularly. Use recurring deposit to build a emergency funds or save for goal, and pair with cash up spending goals for better budget control. And just like that, you have set up a smart habit with Cash App. Whether it's weekly or monthly, recurring deposit help you to grow your balance one step at a time. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next video.